All right, guys, so here I am in China. I can now speak a little louder, although not very loud, the walls are thin. So this is my wife's apartment, and she just fed me. She made me steak. Steak's a rare thing here. So I'm gonna show you around. We actually have a different apartment somewhere else, but this is where we're living right now. So over there is a garden section. There's like a little garden. Over here are the books. I bought her that book, Daughter Smoking Bone, the rest of it in Chinese. And that's our bedroom. This is our dining table. And there's my beautiful wife.
Hello.
And there's the bathroom. Oh, these are my wife's books. And down there is our soy milk. These are actually, there's a history of China, right there. Some history books. And there's a book I got her. She's got a little drone. And this is our washing machine. That's our dryer up there. It's her little garden. And there's my wife. This is our cabinet, table, and this is the kitchen. In the US, it's going to be very shocked. So there's the fresh water. The clean water comes from there. This is the refrigerator. It's very small. It's a rice cooker, and there's our stove. There's our sink. Then there's the bathroom. You guys, you're gonna want to see this. Check it out. It's a stand-up outside shower, and the water heater's over here. So I have a friend of mine who hates when water in the shower gets on his bathroom floor. Oh, buddy, you'd be out of luck in this country. The bathroom floor is also the shower floor. This is it's weird, right? Anyway, I'll be updating you guys throughout the trip. I'll let you know how it's going. All right.